Hello guys, today I have a special guest from the States, my friends, that they asked me, you have the oven, you are able to make the dough of the pizza, please let's do this stuffed bread. So now I will prepare the dough and after with my friends we will make the bread. So the ingredients for the dough are 250 ml of water. I put 7 grams of dry yeast inside and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Plus you will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 250 grams of hard wheat flour, plus 200 grams of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. So now we melt very well the yeast. We add the 250 grams of flour, we start to work our dough. After we add the salt and the other remaining part of the flour. We work well our dough and we divide it into pieces. I cover, see you in few hours with my special guest. Okay guys, the dough is ready and Naody, our special guest, is here.
Hello.
Today we will make
Ham bread, or in Spanish is pan de jamón.
exactly, because in the end she is from States, but the bread is from
Venezuela. There you go.
So for this bread we need the dough plus
300 grams of smoked ham, just a little bit of butter, 100 grams of raisins, 250 grams of smoked bacon, 65 grams of capers, and 200 grams of green olives. So pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna spread the pizza dough and we're gonna add all these fun ingredients into it. We're gonna roll it up and then we're gonna put it in the oven at 400
Fahrenheit
and
and 200 Celsius degree.
there you go.
More or less 40 minutes.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
I will tell you at the end. Okay, let's do it.
All right. All right, so this is our result. Beautiful bread after 35 minutes in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit degrees. It smells very good. So that's it for today, and I see you at tasting. Mmm. Mmm. So good.
Spectacular. Mm.
Amazing.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, and please watch the rest of our videos. I'll see you next time.
Bye
Bye. Oh, good. This is really good.